The air raid sirens are up. Oh, that looks great. Thank you. Thank you so much.
What one do you like more?
We've got some Oshakra here. It's got some roast beef in it as well. It's going to have a taste, but it's a cold soup. That is really good. Thank you.
That's Italian beer.
Say again, sorry.
That's from beer from Italy.
From Italy.
Yes.
Thank you. That's great. Thank you. This is so good. Nice. That is so good. That is, trying some of these beers overseas, you never want to go back to drinking VB or original. But getting these in Australia, I think, would probably be a lot more than a VB. It's got radishes, cucumber, other little bits that I'm not sure of, that I don't know well, but it is really nice. Just to give you a little bit more information about the soup, it's called Okroshka. It's a cold soup of Russian origin, which probably originated in the Volga region. An issue one of my new TikTok followers is having, wants me to be eating war food, and is calling this unbelievable. So I've served in the military and I've eaten ration packs, and I doubt readers or followers or TikTokers or people watching these videos are going to want to see me sitting here crunching down on ration packs. It's just ridiculous. So I've got a meat platter with cheeses and stuff coming. It goes well with wines, but I've just switched back to beer after trialing those other ones. So my next move after I leave Sumy and go back to Kharkiv, where I've got an apartment and the rest of my stuff's at, I don't know what my next move from there is. I have no idea. I'm still incommunicado with my Ukrainian date. She came and visited Kharkiv. I can't really write on Facebook about it anymore. I have to leave it at that. Things there must be some personal, I put everything out there, but I'm just gonna not do it here. That's the last I'll say for now. Thank you.
Maybe we sit here
In-
until it's raining.
Yeah, do you think it's gonna, yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah, I will. It's really a shame that this food is wasted on someone like me. So I won't be appreciating it the way it should be. But I can't wait to try it. So I think this is a cheese, this one. Yeah. It's like caramel cheese, like a cheese of caramel. Milli Vanilli is playing. The ultimate scammers. The ultimate fakes. Did you see that documentary on Milli Vanilli? Can you believe it? Cheese that tastes like caramel. It could be blue vein. I hate blue vein cheese. There's one cheese I can't eat that when it hits your mouth, it explodes with foulness. And this could be that cheese. It's not. I think it's brie with peppercorn in it. I think it's salami. Yeah. So it's back to the champagne now. Now I know that you know, people are going to be pulling their hair out, going, "You're drinking champagne in Ukraine." Champagne in Ukraine. Hey, that sounds good. Champagne in Ukraine. But you know what I've got to say to the haters? Fuck yes. I'm here to support the Ukrainian people. Whether it be the businesses, talking shit now. Sun-dried tomato. So these things are, you know, like explosive little babies. They look small, but when you eat them, they explode with flavour and not spiciness, but they're marinated in something. I wonder what they are. I don't know. They might be peas. I have to say, many people are wondering why bother arguing with 15-year-olds on TikTok. But I've got to say, back in the early days, in the first few months of the Mango Inquirer, arguing with 15-year-olds online is all I did. Look, you need to give credence and listen to what young people are saying and give them the time of day and the decency to argue with them. That's been my approach. So, yeah. Now, for some reason, I just put several pieces of cheese and meat all onto one stick and ate it all together. And it didn't taste good. One of the most gratifying moments of running the Mango Inquirer has been when a kid, he wouldn't have been more than 18, came up to me in Maybreeze and given me a hug and said I'd changed his life. And it was only me and him there. He wasn't his friend, so it wasn't a prank. He was genuinely emotional, and we didn't get to what post it was that made it, but I think he assumed I knew who he was. I think he might have been that young fella on Instagram holding up all those knives, but I can't be sure. But he talked about going on the right path and, you know, sun-dried tomatoes are the best. So hopefully my TikTok followers have a better understanding of where I'm coming from. Champagne in Ukraine. Slava Ukraini. There's a nation of 35 million people trying to get on with their lives, trying to do the best they can. And you've got to support them. Everyone here is trying to live a normal life. There is more